In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset signed document in Pandadoc. When a document has already been signed, you generally cannot truly reset that exact file back to an unsigned state. The clean and reliable way to start over is to duplicate the signed document and edit the new copy. This keeps the original signed version intact for your records, while giving you a fresh version you can update and send again. First, sign in to Pandadoc and go to the Documents tab. This is where you will see all of your files, including drafts, sent documents, and completed ones. Take a moment to find the specific document that has already been signed. If you have many documents, it can help to use the search bar or filters so you select the correct one. Once you locate the signed document, look to the right side of that document row and click the three dots, also called the More menu. This menu contains additional actions you can take on that file. From the list of options, select Duplicate or the option that says Make a Copy. Pandadoc will create a new version based on the signed document. This new copy is what you will use as your reset version, because it is not locked by the signing event in the same way as the completed original. Next, open the newly created copy. You can confirm it is the copy by checking the name and any copy label Pandadoc adds. With the copy open, click Edit. This switches the document into an editable mode, so you can make the changes you need before sending it out again. Now update the content or recipients. For content, review key areas like pricing, dates, scope, or any text that needs corrections. For recipients, make sure the right people are assigned to the right roles and remove anyone who should not be included this time. As you make edits, pay close attention to required fields like signature blocks, initials, and any fillable variables, since changes can sometimes affect what is still required before sending. After you have finished updating everything, you are ready to proceed with your normal sending process from the updated copy, while keeping the original signed document unchanged for reference. And that is all there is to it.